Is it my next one? Yeah. Now we go back. Yes, I give you a waste. Today, January, still not sure. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There's another angle, guys. Pumpkin, how you doing?
Hi, Kalabo.
You good?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good. Long time no see, huh?
You know me, I'm always on and off TikTok. Thank you, big ways.
Listen, Pumpkin, I'm inviting you to my birthday party September.
But Kalabo, I'll feel out of place. But Kalabo, no, I'll feel out of. I don't drink.
You have to come. You have to come. You have to
But
come.
what will I do? I'll be watching others drinking, dancing, and everything. And what will I be doing?
You don't drink?
Mm-mm.
You don't, I also don't drink.
Like, how am I going to party? Like,
So
when
like, you're gonna party with me. You see, like, me and you party, yeah. So don't worry about the drinking. You're gonna party with me.
Where? You in Cape Town?
You're in Cape Town. I know you're in Cape Town, so don't worry. You just get ready that day, and I'll make sure you get there, and I'll make sure you get home also.
Where?
It's gonna be in Camps Bay.
Okay.
So like, yeah, come through. Let's party. It's be my birthday. Yeah.
Hey, who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming?
No one is coming. Just people from Cape Town. That's all. I don't think you would know them.
Me, I don't even have friends. Ngizobuya nobani?
You are my friend. You are my friend. So you must be there. Oh, that's nice. Look nice, right?
You know me,
Yeah.
I'm a people person. How am I going to
Listen,
party?
this is the house. Let me
Content.
see if I can.
Content, guys. Where is this place?
It's in Camps Bay. You see, you said already content. Come and get your content, Shaka.
The name of the place.
The name of the place, that's Camps Bay.
I know the place is in Camps Bay, but the name of that house or it's a guest, I don't know.
No,
What is
it's a
that?
Airbnb. It's an Airbnb.
Yeah.
It's an Airbnb.
So, what are the requirements?
You just show up. You just show up. Come and just show up. That's all.
Mina nje ngibe muhle.
You just dress up, show up.
Everything for free. Food, everything. So since Mina don't drink, the cake will be there.
Yeah, there will be cake, there will be food, like there will be everything.
How old are you?
There's gonna be a DJ as well, yes, even a DJ, yes.
How old are you now, Kalaba? Why are you throwing such a big party?
I am 30 years old.
Way, Sana.
I'm 30.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Kalaba,
You think me, I'm a small boy? Me, I'm 30 years old.
it's for how many days?
I'm booked there for like 2 days, 2 nights. But the party is on the Saturday. If you want, you can come from the first night, from the first night. Come from day number 1.
Like, so, hey, Jesus. Guys, look at this content now.
So is that a yes?
Are you writing down people?
Hmm?
Hey, I'll come back. Huh?
No, I'm not writing down people. I'm not. I'm inviting you.
I'll come back. Since I'm in Cape Town, I'll just come and chill with you guys. Then I go back home. Is that
Yeah,
fine?
you see, now we're talking. Come on now. Now we are talking.
That's fine.
Nice language. Just come, show up, and then, yes. 30 is crazy. I'm not that. 30 is not old, guys. 30 is not old. 30, I'm young. All right, I'm young. Pumpkin, how old are you?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm 25.
25. Okay, now.
How
25. You
old
look
do I,
like
how do I look? People they say I look
you look
8.
like you are 20, 22, 21.
That's a compliment.
Yeah, you look young. You look young. You take care of yourself. How old do I look?
You look 19.
Damn, I always wanted to look young. That's beautiful. Imagine
And
19 is actually
what's your
crazy.
brother's
Damn.
name?
Hmm?
What's your brother's name?
A valley.
You guys, you look 19.
Yeah, we got good genes,
Is
like
Saturday coming? I
who
had
said
Saturday.
I don't
I
know.
because I heard is a very, very short guy, so
Hi,
I
it's my birthday. Katie, happy birthday. God bless you. But many more years. I don't know. As for me, I was
Saturday, are you going harder? Hmm?
As for me, I was turning 40 on the 1st of May. Oh, you turning 40 on the 1st of May? What you do for your 40th birthday?
It's 2000. Early freshman.
You want to play pumpkin? Let's play a game. Let's play.
Because I'm
You know,
smoking.
I also don't have smoke. Don't worry. I don't have smoke today.
I sent you a message.
Oh, I also sent you.
There we go. Click. Hi, Siri. Hi, Dawe. You didn't hear about the party?
We don't see it?
Okay, you send the message.
I'm sending it. I sent it.
No, there's no match.
Damn. Let me go and come back.
Okay.